Let me show you how I made this danceable Afro beat right after the intro. Yo, the name is Gosa, and still the solution career, providing solutions to your problems. Hit the subscribe button if you are new to this channel. Turn on the notification bell, like the video, leave a comment and subscribed. Alright guys, so let me take you through how I made this Afro beat. So the first thing I started with was this drum loops. Let's listen to that. Alright, so the next thing I added was this hi-hat loop. Let's listen. So the two of them sound like this. So the next thing I introduced was this pad. Let's listen. Alright, so the three of them sound like this. Then I brought in these counter melodies. I copied the same thing and supported it with this. So the two of them is like this. Alright, so let's add them. So the next thing I brought in was the bass, and I wanted a talking bass. Okay, so this is how the bass sounds. So guys, let's add them. Alright, so the next thing I added was this. Subscribe to the channel if you are new here. If you want to know how to develop chord progressions, how to make your drums more interesting, step by steps in making Afrobeat, then subscribe to this channel, watch my previous videos. Alright, let's move on. I added this. Very simple, so let's add them. Okay, so the next thing I introduced was this. I just wanted to make this thing more bouncy so that somebody can jump and dance with this. Okay, so I introduced a whole lot of sounds to make it more groovy. Alright, so let's add everything. Alright guys, so the next thing I introduced was this. Alright, so everything sounds like this. The name is God's still a solution career. Enjoy. Let me know your comments in the description box. Give the video a like if it helps you. Watch my previous videos. Let's listen. Okay, so this is how I made this beat. If you found it to be helpful, give it a like, subscribe to the channel if you are new here. Name is God's still the solution career, providing solutions to your problems. See you in the next video. Stay blessed.